How to buy CrazyFrog token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down the description. You can get free money rewards for crypto with the best referral code. Simply it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL accounts and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 600% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in safe place. So this token trending number 3 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here and go and open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is also click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter or OURBIT. It's the same. Now, make sure to read all of that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to redirect you to OURBIT provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy CrazyFrog token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.